a hatching battle. We are just testing out hatching hacks.
Yeah.
And see if it actually works to get a legendary. Like this video if you like my dance moves. Okay, let's stop dancing. I'm gonna get blue raspberry icy and fly around Carmen's house.
A dive if you like mine.
What?
Sub if you like mine.
Dun, dun, dun. Do you even have any legendary neons there, Carmen?
Legendary neons?
Yeah, do you have any neon legendaries?
I have this bee, but it's
That's
all the
not
way up.
legendary.
It should be.
No, it shouldn't.
Okay.
Okay, let's just start.
Yeah.
So there's a hatching hack that if you buy an egg and feed it ice cream, it hatches a unicorn.
Okay. Let's go do that then.
I need you to buy the egg because I'm poor.
Fine.
Teleport to me.
I'm just gonna teleport to the nursery.
There's a random person following us around.
That's us. How much are they? 500? Oh my god.
Sorry, Carmen, I had to let the dogs out. Good.
Okay.
Did you buy an egg?
It's so much. It's like 1,000.
I know, that one's really expensive. Let me try to remember the one they bought. Oh, they bought the pet egg.
Good. That's like 500, I think.
600. Okay, how many can you buy?
I don't know.
Can you see if you can buy another? Because I need one. We're going to see if this hack works.
How much do you have?
I have 169. I'm poor. Give me an egg.
Here.
Thank you. Okay, now we can test the hack, see if it works. Let's go buy some ice cream. I have to feed it.
Yes.
I got a task for my egg. Did you get anything yet?
No. Wait. I have sour.
I have hungry and sour.
I see you.
Are you in the ice cream shop? I'm almost at the ice cream shop. Oh, I see you.
Yeah.
Remember when we were doing the obby video and every time you said, "Oh, I see you," you fell. I'm gonna get
but we didn't record it because, we did, but we couldn't hear each other.
I know. We did send it out. Yeah, I'm not gonna pay for this, Carmen. I didn't pay for it. I got it for free.
How?
I don't know. I'm gonna go down to we did the penguin spot. The penguin spot was where we did the flexing battle for toys, I think. When you're on your last task, feed them ice cream before you do the task, because I think that might work. Imagine both of us get a Yumi.
Is the dragon still one of them?
What?
Is the dragon still count as legendary?
The what count as legendary?
The dragon.
The dragon?
Yeah.
Yeah, the dragon would still count as the hack works.
Okay, that's what I thought.
But if you hatch a legendary, I mean ultra rare, that still kind of works because it's still not a common, so that still kind of works.
Yeah.
Okay, imagine this hack works.
Yeah.
That would be so cool though.
What other hat are we gonna use again?
The hack we're doing right now, seeded ice cream before the last task. That's the last. Mine's almost hatched.
That was my first task.
What? I feel like you're gonna get a legendary unicorn. But it's not gonna matter because you already have a unicorn. But then I could have it.
I only bought you an egg.
I know, but if you hatch a unicorn, you already have one, so you're giving it to me. Yeah.
If you hatch a dragon, then I'm getting it. For some weird reason.
Okay. Well, I do already technically have a dragon. I have an ancient dragon.
Can you guys see that?
But if it's not an ancient dragon, I'm not trading it. And if it is an ancient dragon, I'm probably going to give it to you. Because I already have an ancient dragon. But then I will get whatever you get if you don't get a legendary.
Yeah.
I might keep the ancient dragon to make a neon. I'm going to check what the neon ancient dragon looks like.
Perfect. Here's some water.
Oh, that's cool. It literally looks like a flame. The neon ancient dragon is so cool.
Did you get it?
No, I didn't get the ancient dragon. My egg's not even hatched.
Do you know what will be my last task?
What?
Eating and ice cream, so.
Oh, yeah.
Because I haven't got eaten at all yet.
Me either. Well, I got it once.
Yeah, I haven't even got it left. My last task, but I don't have it yet. So I'm just gonna play the piano. I'm just gonna.
Okay, so my egg is almost hatched.
Sam, I think I'm on my last task.
This music slaps.
What music? What music?
The music in Adopt Me that they probably can't hear.
Okay, I'm just waiting for my last task.
What's your last task?
I don't know until I haven't said it yet.
I'm teleporting you. Mine hasn't said it yet either.
Wait, I need to teleport to you.
I just teleported to you.
Okay.
Where are you?
I was teleported to you.
I teleported to you.
Bruh.
I teleported to you.
Okay, hi.
Where's your egg? No throwing your child into the ocean.
Can't always stay positive, be on, like, lying, and not just yours.
Oh my. Okay, so. Have you gotten your last test yet?
Let me see.
I haven't.
Neither have I. But I do got some ice cream.
Paxton, stop splashing milk on my iPad. Be right back, Carmen. My brother's literally dumped a whole bowl of milk on my iPad.
What the heck?
No.
Yes! It's sleep.
Nothing. I got my last task.
Salem. Sleep, right?
Yeah, mine's sleep.
Let's go to the nursery.
I'm not in the nursery. I'm in my house.
Oh, I want to do it together, though. Fine, I'm teleporting to you.
I did it. I wonder
What about the ice cream?
I already fed hit the ice cream.
Like, should I do it right now?
Yeah, do it right now. It's not gonna work, I feel.
Did he even eat my ice cream?
No! I got a mouse.
Bruh.
Oh, now my iPad's sticky because Paxton dumped milk on it.
It's not letting the egg eat ice cream.
Because it's sleepy. You have to walk around. Walk around, then feed it to it. Come to me. Walk around. You have to walk around, then feed it. It's hungry. Feed it the ice cream.
Yes. Yes. He ate it.
I got it. Okay, that's definitely a fail. We both got commons.
This is so stupid.
I know, it failed. We both got commons. I think that's a hack to get commons.
Probably. Isn't there a hack with that Elsa thing?
Do you have a mouse? I can make 3. I can make 1. Let me check.
Elsa.
Do you have a mouse?
The video
if you do,
probably
I
getting
can make a
long.
mega.
What do you mean there's no Elsa? It's a no queen. Or maybe ice cream.
That hack fails. Okay, now a hack. Oh, what the? There's a hack that my brother found out, and it actually, I think, works. So you have to get a pet egg and dye it blue and then hatch it, and then you get a legendary.
Yeah, that one I did.
Well, we're going to have to save that for the next video.
And they give me a blue with the...
We're going to have to save that for the next video, guys.
Yeah.
Very awesome, and...
Let's do something.
Stay awesome and stay positive, and bye. Make sure to smash that like button.
That was so cringe.
Make sure to smash that like button.
No.
Ring the bell, and yeah, stuff like that.
And like.
Share and a comment. Never mind, you can.
And like.
Someone said e-dance in the chat.